Hey guys, like, subscribe, bell, face. Let's get into the video. Hi, how are things? So today is Saturday, and you'll probably be seeing this on Saturday. Maybe Sunday, but most likely Saturday. Today was, I don't want to say like the final day of the challenge. Yesterday was the final day of the Carnivore challenge. I enjoy this challenge. I don't think I have stuck to something that long for a long time. There were, 2 or 3 nights where it got to me and I was like, I'm going to need to just eat all of the chocolate. Like, I really wanted candy, like chocolate and ice cream, but I held strong until last night. So after I got home from work, I had hot dogs. I just had 2 hot dogs. And then it was a little bit later and I was like, you know what? I've made it this far. I'm gonna have the ice cream bars. Like, I really want them. So I did allow myself to have those ice cream bars last night. Bars, I had 3. However, I am still counting this challenge as a successful endeavor. I'm counting it as such because I stuck to it as long as I did. I didn't have anything other than meat, cheese, dairy. Granted, I was in ketosis twice that I checked during the week. Just twice. But I felt so much better during the week. Like, I wasn't as tired. I wasn't as cranky. I have to say, and I never thought I would, I thoroughly enjoyed this challenge. I really, really did. I felt better all week long. And it just, I think, really like rebooted my weight loss. I will tell you, I can see in my face, like my carb face is pretty much gone. My belly feels a little bit different. My clothes are fitting a little bit differently as well. And I tried to stay off the scale as much as I could. So that being said, I weighed in this morning. And what I saw on that scale was astonishing to me. I started this challenge at 255.8 last Sunday. 255.8, okay? I stepped on that scale this morning and saw 250.8. So I managed to somehow lose 5 pounds this week just eating carnivore. And even with that little like treat last night, I was okay. And that, like, I know some of it was water weight, I'm sure, but I haven't seen a loss like that since I started keto in 2018. I was like floored, and that gave me the oomph to be like, I'm gonna try and stick as carnivore as I can. That being said, like somebody said, just call yourself ketovore, and I enjoy that term. And I think that is gonna be what I try to do. So for right now, we're looking at mostly meat, eggs, dairy. I have eggs. I still have those hard-boiled eggs. I never even opened them. But meat, cheese, eggs, a little bit of dairy, kind of keep that together. I do have keto meals coming, so there's that. I have that Keto Quest pizza that I fully intend on having at least one, half of one night for dinner. So there will be some carbs incorporated and some non-carnivorous events. But I think I'm gonna try and keep this up as long as I can and still enjoy like a random treat now and then, or like a single solitary like fat bomb for a dessert, which is really what I should have been doing all along. Whether or not I can stick to it, we will see in the future. But I think with seeing this loss, I'm not discouraged. And normally I am discouraged by the first week because I don't lose anything, or I lose like a half a pound and I'm like, what the frick is the point? And I know it's a journey, not a sprint, but I want instant gratification. I want to do it for a week and be 100 pounds lighter. Like, can we figure out a diet where I lose 100 pounds in a week? Maybe we figure that out. You know, I really enjoyed this challenge and being able to do it. You know, the last time I did it, Erin and I lasted, I think, 36 hours, and I was like, F this noise. We're not, Like, I was not having it. I didn't like not having the freedom to have green beans or not having the freedom to have a snack at night. And this time around, I was like, I'm all right. I don't know. It was different, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I felt a lot better on it. So I'm super glad that Nicole hosted the I want to say giveaway, hosted the challenge, and I'm gonna keep trying to do what I do. I'm super excited, because listen, if I can keep up 5 pounds a week for the next 4 weeks, I'll be a happy camper. I know that's not feasible, and I'm so sorry this is so dark, but it keeps like not focusing on my face. That's bright. Alright guys, that is my take on the carnivore diet. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. I wish I was able to get like blood work before and after to see like what's going on with it, but we'll see. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you do ketovore or carnivore, what it is that you do in the comments down below, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.